Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef patties. First, select high-quality ground beef, ideally with an 80-20 fat ratio for optimal juiciness and flavor. Next, prepare your seasonings. A simple blend of salt, black pepper, and a touch of garlic powder works wonderfully. Make sure your ingredients are at room temperature before you begin mixing to ensure even distribution and better texture. This foundational step is crucial for a delicious patty. Now, let's get to mixing and forming. Combine your ground beef and seasonings in a large bowl, using your hands to gently mix until just combined. Avoid overworking the meat, as this can lead to tough patties. Next, divide the mixture into equal portions and form them into patties, aiming for about 3/4 of an inch thick. Press a small dimple into the center of each patty to prevent it from bulging during cooking. Cooking your patties perfectly is key. For a classic smoky flavor, grill them over medium-high heat, flipping once to achieve nice grill marks. If you prefer a fantastic crust, pan-fry them in a hot cast-iron skillet with a little oil. Alternatively, for a more hands-off approach, you can bake them in the oven until they reach your desired doneness. Always use a meat thermometer to ensure food safety. To ensure your beef patties are safe and delicious, cook them until they reach an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a reliable meat thermometer for accuracy. Once cooked, let the patties rest for about 5 minutes before serving. This allows the juices to redistribute, keeping them moist and flavorful. Serve on your favorite bun with fresh toppings. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.